How to use promo code in Agoda website. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can use a promo code here in agoda.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So by now you must to log in into your account, and at the top of your home page you're gonna find coupons and deals. Probably you have earned some coupons related to login into your account, create a new account, and here you're gonna find some more. So let's suppose a 3% off 6 or special deal ticket, and there are gonna be more some days, so depending on the specific date of the year. So I'm gonna obtain this 3%, and now I have my coupon, got it. And here what I must do is select a destination. I'm going to select these dates, why not, just two adults, and I'm going to look for some rooms. So I'm gonna choose the first one. Let's view the property. Okay, this is great, and I'm going to request the booking of this suite. And at the end, when you are in the payment information, this is the customer information. I'm going into the payment information. Let's see. Oh no, okay. I'm gonna be able to do this from this menu, because here you have your promotions and discounts. So you can select whatever you want, get a deals account, or enter a promo code in case you have one. And that's how you can do it. In some other occasions, here are you're gonna find the coupons that you have obtained here from coupons and deals. But remember, these coupons have some terms and conditions, and for that reason, these are not gonna be available for all the bookings you wanna do here in agoda.com. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.